Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to set up epics in Trello for 2025 using this straightforward guide. To begin, visit Trello.com in your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, locate the Login button in the upper right corner. You can sign in using your email address or quickly via your linked Google account. Pick your preferred method and log into your profile. After logging in, head to the boards area where your projects are stored. Find the specific workspace you need and open the board where you want to build your epic. Selecting the correct board is essential for organizing your tasks and managing the project effectively. Now, look for the Add a List option on your board. Click it to generate a new column and title it Epic. Proper naming ensures your workflow remains clear and organized. With your list ready, click Add a Card to divide your epic into smaller, actionable pieces. Label the first card User Story 1. These stories help track specific goals within the larger project. Click Add Card to save it. Then repeat this for User Story 2 and User Story 3. Each card represents a vital part of your project, making it simple to monitor progress. You have now successfully built an epic in Trello. This structure helps your team stay efficient and on track. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your tasks in Trello.